Congress won both the Lok Sabha seats in strife to win Manipur on Tuesday, according to the Election Commission of India. Alfred Kangam Ash Arthur won the Outer Manipur parliamentary seat by 85,418 votes, defeating his nearest rival Kachui Timothy Jemek of the NPF. Arthur secured 3,84,954 votes, while Jemek bagged 2,99,536 votes. In the inner Manipur seat, Angomcha Bimol Akoijam defeated his nearest rival, Thonaujam Bashantikumar of the VJP by 1,09,801 votes. Bimol Akoijam got 3,74,017 votes and TH Bashantikumar Singh received 2,64,216 votes. Manipur has been on the ball since May last year as ethnic violence broke out after a march by key tribals in the hill districts to protest against the valley-dominant Meitei community's demand for scheduled tribes status. Since then, over 220 people belonging to border communities, including security personnel, have been killed in the continuing violence. A VJP-led government has been in power in the state since 2017. After the results were announced, State Congress President K. Megachandra said Chief Minister N. Biren Singh should take responsibility for what has been happening in the state and resign on moral grounds. We are victorious because of the support of the people who have been suffering. We are thankful to the people for showing their trust in our two candidates, who have won with massive margins, he told reporters at the State Congress headquarters. Megachandra said corruption was the root cause of the prevailing situation in Manipur. The people have given a strong message through this election. We will definitely make sure that the trust reposed on us by the people will be transformed into work, and we will do what we have said in our manifesto, he added. The government should take responsibility for the present conflict. The Chief Minister should take moral responsibility and resign, he said.
Housi ekona mai pakong amjagaduri basi masigi credit si the entire people of Manipur. Manipur ki praja handak si picha myam ye lego su vote se koi pirakko adagi whole koi tongan organizations adagi India Bloc sina si to party si myam party koi kunga tarin pan lei myam si loi punja laga koi si tongan gra mai certain level da moina tawbirak pase masi hanbada Manipur ki praja thagali ani subada India Bloc thagali ahum subada koi party ki leiba leadership akoi Rahul Gandhi Manipur lakpiramba adagi MP myam lakpiramba adagi Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra Manipur si especially pick up tawraka Manipur si myam prithvi punamakta focus tawbiba Manipur ki voice thangatbiba platform khudimakta Manipur ki wa ngangbiba koi Congress ki leaders sing Congress ki workers sing leaders myam sing se aina thagatsaba aina credit se pini